trampoline. Let's see a jump rope. Let's see it. Wow, you're doing good.
Ooh.
Oh, I can't do it anymore.
That's okay. Why not?
You're doing good.
I can't.
Why can't you?
I can't do it. I want to
Can you do your princess hopper?
I got pee-pee diaper.
Oh, okay.
I got pee-pee.
Okay, well here, let's bring the whites over here.
What are you going to do today, Memes? What are we going to do this morning?
I hate it.
What are we going to do?
What can you do?
Where are you going to go, baby?
School.
What are you going to see at school?
I will see all my friends at Miss Tina.
Oh, okay. And then what are we going to do at school?
We're here there to pick a shape and go in the park.
Go in the park and dance and pick a shape? That would be fun, huh?
Who are your friends there?
Phantom, Charlie, and Jack, and Finnegan.
And Finnegan. Who's your best friend at school?
Jack.
Jack. All right. Say, Mimi, out.
Say
Mimi, out. Out.
You say Mimi, out.
Say, peace out. Say, peace out. Say, later. Later, skater.
They skater.
All right.